Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. The wedge broke. Bottom line. Um, retest the lows. That's typically what these formations breaking will signal. We've got some levels on the way down we want to look at. Old lows at 125.31, 134.20. The big levels I'm looking forward to, the 125.21 level and the 133.18 area. From a good friend, Carlos, who turned me on to a new technique. Thank you, Carlos, for that. I appreciate it. You guys might want to try and follow him on Twitter at Market Trend. Check out his blog. Might be some interesting educational items for you there. Thanks again, Carlos. I appreciate it. Moving on. Holiday tonight starts with the markets closing at their normal time. Bonds and notes and FX close at 4 o'clock Chicago time. Reopen at 5. Close tomorrow morning at 10:30 Chicago time. Or, I'm sorry, noon Chicago time. Excuse me. The equities close at 10:30 tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's a big day. Got ECB, Bank of England. There's some economic data out of Europe. Obviously, the states are closed. I'm sure there'll be some activity related to the, ECB and the Bank of England. If we do get a bounce in the treasuries, look for the broken trend line to get retested. I think if you look at an hourly chart on the 10-year, it comes in at 125.17 now, and on the bonds at 135.25-ish. Could even see the market trade a little bit above those levels, but the way it's trading here, longs are trying to get out. There's a decent bid sitting at 126.10 in the 10-year right now. I think they're just sitting there trying to keep the market from collapsing in front of the holiday, and probably somebody's short and maybe willing to sacrifice part of their position here to cover a little bit and stave off Armageddon here. Hope you guys caught the trade. Hope you were in the webinar yesterday. You saw the commentary that we posted there yesterday. Take a look at hamzyanalytics.net. The webinar should be posted, I want to say Friday morning for public viewership. Subscribers obviously got it today. And the webinar was free. I think we had a couple hundred people in there. Hopefully you guys were there. Thanks for checking us out. I'll see you on... Maybe I'll be around tomorrow. I don't know. See what the ECB and the Bank of England do. If the markets do anything significant, I'll pop in here for a little while tomorrow and see if there's anything to talk about. Have a great night, guys.